Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your JBL Wave 200 with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, you have to remember to input both earbuds inside the charging case, charge them for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Next, you have to just open the case and remove both earbuds. In the most cases, they will start blinking together, the left and the right, quickly. But if you don't have the pairing mode, like in my case, you have to click and hold on the both buttons, the left and the right, together for like 5 seconds until they start blinking like that. And right now we have to just go to the settings on your iOS device, open the Bluetooth, turn it on with the switcher, and now select them from available devices list. As you can see, we are successfully connected, and that's all for this video. Hope you like it.